Hey guys, in today's video we are going to learn 4 easy chords that you can use on acoustic guitar to replace some old boring chords, and you might want to use them to spice up your chord progressions. So the first chord is an E add 9. Such a beautiful chord. I really like to use this to replace the E major. Okay, and the way you do it compared to an E major, you just want to stretch your little finger on fret 4 of the D string, adding the note F sharp, which is the 9th. And it gives you this nice chord. The second one is a C sharp minor, but you don't need any bar to play it, because effectively the first finger will only play the fret number 4 on the A string, so the note C sharp. Then you use an A minor shape and you let the first string open to ring like this. Okay, this is a full C sharp minor, but there's no bar. As you can see, my first finger is not barring the fret number 4, it's only playing this note, like this. Then from here, you'll slide down to the 2nd fret in order to play a B, but you literally play just a power chord of B, okay, letting then the first 2 strings open again to ring, and this is basically a B7 but without the 3rd, so we can even call it B7 omit 3, but effectively it's a power chord with the 7th. Like this. The sound of the open strings is really nice, and it's a common voicing between the C sharp minor and the B. So it goes like moving down to, okay, and then we'll finish on an A, but we're going to play the A in a more unusual way. Really nice. I think that this really adds some spice to what you're going to play. So the way I want you to look at this A is basically with the ring finger playing the note A on fret number 7 of the D string, and then just with the 2nd finger playing the fret number 6, which is the major 3rd, on the G string, like this. When I do this, I'm strumming 5 strings, so I'm also getting another root note, the open A string here. The first 2 strings definitely are open, so this is a sort of A add 9, and I'm not using the low E string, like this. This is a really nice chord for arpeggios, for strumming, for plucking and percussions. Okay. Now the good news is that you can play all of these 4 chords together, because they create a chord progression in the key of E major, which is going to be 1, 6 minor, and then 5 and 4. So basically this, E add 9 going to the C sharp minor, followed by our B, and then from our A. Okay, you can play this with any technique and any rhythm. I really like to play it with a mix of strumming and plucking together with percussions, and then if you like it you can add, you know, any melody on the key of E major. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick lesson on 4 chords that you can play on acoustic guitar to spice up your chord progressions. If you do enjoy this kind of chord progressions, make sure to check out my full playlist with acoustic grooves. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to stay up to date with all the upcoming videos. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, and if you play this progression on Instagram, you can tag my profile and I will repost your video in my stories. This was The Bearded Guitarist. Thanks a lot for watching this video guys, I'll catch you soon.